Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. What's good, y'all? We about to check out Park Lngshot 4SHO official music video. Hey man, Lngshot doing their thing, Park doing his thing. Bro, proud of all of them, yo. I really saw the collab that they did with Jadon. I love Jadon, bro. If you haven't checked it out, they did like a remix to Lullaby. If I'm not mistaken, please correct me in the comments down below. Yes, I'm still in my pajamas, but you know what? Let's get lit in my pajamas. Park Lngshot 4SHO official music video. Let's get it.
Everything I do, I want to be authentic, but I don't want it to just get numbers.
저희만의 스타일로 밀어붙이는 게 롱샷. 판을 뒤집을 수 있는 결정적인 한 방이라는 의미를 가지고 있고요.
I want them to really be passionate about their craft.
야.
팔릴 거랑 약속이 붙어.
항상 겸손해야 된다고. 뭔가 진정성이라는 게 되게 중요한 키워드일 것 같아요.
Stay humble. I love that.
아직 시작 안 했고, 네, 이제부터 시작이니까.
Just to bring something different to the table.
Is Lngshot the truth? Let me know in the comments.
My experience is different.
For sure. How this gonna go? Ooh. Okay, handshake. Damn, okay, aura. Oh. For sure. Hold up. I need to get, hold up. Let me put on some. I gotta flex on my fake jewelry, you know what I'm saying? Look at that. Bow. Back, run it back.
This for me and my bros, no, this for show.
Hey.
This is for show. Look at me down, let me down. This is for show.
Oh, they got steaks?
We don't hit the brand. This is for show.
Hey.
It's not for show.
What's it?
For show.
For show?
It's not for show.
Not for just for what?
For show.
For show.
It's not for show.
It's not for just for show.
This is for show. It's not for show.
It's not just for show. How the hell you say that so fast? Damn, I'm getting old, huh?
For show. It's not for show.
It's not just for show. It's not just for show. Bro, I just had to listen. I got dyslexia. Hold up.
This is for show. It's not for show.
Hey.
Don't let any other bros.
Ooh. Come on.
Only gotta check it out. This I see.
This your city, who? Yeah. That's your life, love. Up the room. Ooh. Hey, they screaming. That's what's up.
This is for show. It's not for show. This is for show.
Hey.
It's not for show.
Hey.
This is for show.
Hey.
It's not for show.
Not for show.
This is for show. It's not for show.
Not just for show. Park really ain't doing his thing for real though. Hey.
For show. 신내 들어와서 파티지 부르 lotion. 보여줘야 돼 get you. Wait up, got a big ambition.
Get it.
Mic 치면 I feel like it's sprinting, but I'm better when they can hear more touch.
Okay, head on.
잘 지켜봐라 우리 YouTube channel. Yeah, I'm a menace. 생겨도 상관없어 핸드미스. 컨셉은 no damage. All lights on these memories. 가시로 바뀌어봐 나시 최근에 범인 생겼어.
Lngshot. Damn. Hey. Slip. Start a riot. Ooh. Wait, did they speak Spanish? What is this lyrics? Oh, it's in English. Did they just speak Spanish? What is this? Or did they just switch it up out of nowhere? What the hell? Was that French? Wait, I'm tripping. Am I tripping? Hey, yo. Wait. We the shit need a bidet? Oh my god. Hey. This is for show, for show. This is for show, for show. This is for show, for show. Hey. Hey, hey, hey. Listen, Lngshot might be the truth. The whole like Lngshot for show, Lngshot for show. Woo! Hey, hey, cooking in the pot. Hey, hey, we cooking in the pot. Hey, they cooking in the pot. Nasty with it, bro. They nasty with it. Sheesh. Park Lngshot. Nah, they killed it with that. They killed it with that. For sure, boys. 4SHO 4SHO. Put a comment down below what you guys think of Park and Lngshot for sure, for sure. Let me know what's your thoughts on Lngshot. Shit, while we're here, I've been wanting to check out Cordis ACAI. Now, I heard ACAI, the like audio already, but the performance film, nah, I gotta check that out as well. Let me see. Captions on. Let's get it. I think they're interesting too. I feel like Cordis and Lngshot be doing their thing. Who is choking? I don't care. ACAI. Hey. Bring that ACAI. Glugga glugga yanka yanka. I just choked that ACAI. ACAI. Yay, yay. All the angles too. Time to ACAI. ACAI. Ooh, they clean with that. They clean with that. ACAI. Bring that ACAI. Hey, I might get some ACAI to be honest. Man, I keep on forgetting how tall his ass is. Ooh, ooh, hey, hey, hey. Taco. Hey. Get it? Damn. Where they at? They just filming around randomly at the hotel? Hey, hey, ACAI, bitch. I be choking on ACAI. L&D. All I want is ACAI. Bring that ACAI. Hey, 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 hey. ACAI. ACAI. Hey, hey, ACAI. 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 Oh. Okay. What an interesting ending. Yo, put in the comments down below what you guys think of Cordis, ACAI. I think it's a fun song, to be honest. I think it's just like the young kids just making music, bro. I mean, what are they gonna talk about? What else are they gonna talk about? I'm glad they made a song about ACAI, to be honest. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Be sure to check out the Patreon if you haven't already. Again, these are like one of my favorite groups to just watch, and I can't wait to see them grow even more. Lngshot, Cordis, yes, like both of them. Definitely a fan of both groups. And yeah, it's your boy Dre. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it, it might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.